Now, exponents are very crucial in SAT maths. We'll do three sums where most of the students fail to do it correctly. Let's start with the first one. Now, what is the value of this weird looking expression? Let's try to find it out. So what I'm going to write here, for the first expression, I can write x to the power b minus c whole to the power b square plus bc plus c square multiplied by x to the power c minus a whole to the power of c square plus ca plus a square multiplied by x to the power a minus b, the whole of it to the power of a square plus ab plus b square. So next we can write x to the power b minus c multiplied by this whole of this expression, that is b square plus bc plus c square, again multiplied by x to the power of c minus a, the whole of it multiplied by c square plus ca plus a square. Next is x to the power of a minus b, the whole of it multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. This expression, if you look carefully, b minus c whole b square plus bc plus c square is nothing but x to the power of b cube minus c cube. Similarly, for this expression c minus a c square plus ca plus a square, I can write this is nothing but c cube minus a cube. Again, similarly, x to the power for this one a cube minus b cube. Next, what we can write? We can write x b cube minus c cube plus c cube minus a cube. This will be a cube. I'm so sorry. This will be a cube plus a cube minus b cube. Now, if we look carefully, this b cube and this b cube is going to cancel out, minus c cube and plus c cube are going to cancel out, minus a cube and plus a cube are going to cancel out. So we'll be left with nothing but x to the power of 0, that is 1. So the whole expression, value of this whole expression is 1. Let us now move to the second problem. This is also very interesting. We have been given if 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 8, what is the value of x to the power of x? Now let us try to solve it. We can write 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x minus 2 is equal to 8. This I can write 3 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x divided by 3 to the power of 2 is equal to 8. Now I can take 3 to the power x common, so I can write 3 to the power x. Inside the bracket I am going to write 1 minus 1 by 3 square is nothing but 9. This is equal to 8, which gives us 3 to the power of x. Now this, on solving, you're going to get 8 divided by 9 is equal to 8. So I can write here 3 to the power of x is equal to 8 multiplied by 9 by 8, multiplying both sides by 9 by 8. So these two 8s are going to cancel out. So I'm going to write 3 to the power x. This 9 can be written as 3 to the power of 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2. This is the answer. That's the second problem. Let's move on to the third one. Now let's look at the third problem. Here we have 5 to the power of 5 plus 0.01 whole square minus 5 to the power of 5 minus 0.01 whole square is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now we need to find what is the value of x. If we look carefully, this, if I consider the whole of it as a and this whole of it as b, can I not write it as a square minus b square? Now if I can write it as a square minus b square, I can write it as a plus b multiplied by a minus b, isn't it? So if I consider the whole of it to be a, I can write 5 to the power of 5 plus 0.01, that's my a, plus this whole of it is b, so 5 to the power of 5 minus 0.01. So a plus b multiplied by again 5 to the power of 5 plus 0.01, this is my a, minus 5 to the power of 5, and for this minus and this minus they'll cancel out to give us a positive sign. So 0.01 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now what we can do, you can notice that this one and this one is going to cancel out, and this one and this one is also going to cancel out. So what we have here, we have 2 multiplied by 5 to the power of 5, and here we can have multiplied by twice into 0.01. The whole of it is 5 to the power x. Now 2 into 2 will give us 4. So I can write 4 here. This I am leaving as it is. So 5 to the power of 5 multiplied by 0.01. I can write it as 1 divided by 100 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now what I can do, I can divide this 100 by 4. If I divide the numerator and denominator both by 4, so I'm going to get 5 to the power of 5 into 1 by 25, and that is equal to 5 to the power of x. Now what do I see here? This is nothing but 5 to the power of 5 into 1 by 5 to the power of 2 is equal to 5 to the power of x. This can be written as 5 to the power of 5 minus 2 is equal to 5 to the power of x. So 5 to the power of 3 is equal to 5 to the power of x. Therefore, x is equal to 3. This is the answer. I hope all the problems that you have seen here are excellent and they will help you to build confidence in doing